Hey there viewers, and welcome back to the South Main Auto Channel. I'm Hannah if you don't know, and I've got to do my front brakes today on my 07 Malibu, and I figured I'd take you guys along. So first, we got to take my hubcap off. Just loosen all these. And instead of not doing them by hand, some power. Figured I'd use old Ginger here to get the job done. Let's see if old Ginger can take these wheel nuts off. So now I gotta take the caliper bracket off. Struggling a bit. There we go. There we go. And these have the dreaded never-sees on them. Now I'm going to use this screwdriver and compress the piston a little bit. Nice even pressure. And just slide this off. And I better get a hook before Eric sees me, because you gotta hang it by the hook and not the hose. So there we go. Now I'm going to pull the caliper bracket off. Loosening these. And there's my caliper bracket. Now I've got to take my rotor off here. It's already loose. So now I just got to clean off my wheel bearing here. It's relatively new, so there's not much. So I'm just going to use a wire brush and some. Spray this down here, get all this never-sees and stuff off. Let's spray this down. Spray it down one last time here. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my pads and hardware off and make sure my caliper pins are, I'll just use this because every tool has a hammer side. And these feel all nice and good. there's that. So here we are at the sandblaster. I've got to sandblast where the ears of the pads sit. So we're just going to stick it right in here. We gotta turn our little thing on over here. We gotta make sure not to get the boot. Turn it over. So now that I've sandblasted it, I'm going to hit it up with old Roger over here. No rust, looks good to me. So now we're back over here. I'm going to take this down and compress my piston all the way. There. There. That's it. So I'm just going to wire brush the ears of the caliper. The base of the piston looks clean. We're not going to worry about that. I'm just going to finish wire brushing this here, and then we're going to hit it with some of the good stuff. Oh, almost forgot. Oh wait, this can doesn't do it. The fluid film this. And we're going to put my new rotor on. Somewhere here. It's an axle on it. There we go. Spray this down with some more of the good stuff here. It's all clean. So now we're just going to lube up the things here. Check them on top. Don't stick your fingers in it. go. And we're going to put the hardware on. I struggled with this. There we go. And then make sure you check your pins here and make sure there's enough stuff on them. And it goes all the way to the top. That one's good. Get this on somehow. There we go. Now we're going to stick our pads in here after we put the squealer on. And the squealer goes on the inside. Get this on here. Need a hammer. Oops. There we go. Stick our other one in. Whoop, don't slide it too far. There we go. So now I'm going to stick this up here. Very carefully. I'm going to run these down with a ratchet and torque it to factory spec. Click. Click. So now I'm going to lube up my caliper ears and piston face. Put it down to Hannah height. Bolt in. Oh. So now we're going to tighten down the caliper and torque it to factory specs. click. Click. Now we just want to see if our caliper slides freely, which it does. Now we're just going to throw the wheel on. Whoops. Now we just got to put my wheel cover on and then we'll flush this toilet. Check my brake fluid. There we go. We're good. Well, we're in here. I'm going to pump up my brakes, start it up, and we'll take her around town. There we go. Nice and hard. Hit the bird. Alright folks, that's that. Putting front brakes on my Chevy Malibu. Well, guess I should get locked up and get on out of here. Find us on our socials, and remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.